Right turn. Montessori Pride. Montessori Pride. Forward march. Right move.
Yes, hold.
Honorable President of Montessori Prime, Sudhakar Reddy, Director of Montessori Prime, Mr. Baidu Varghese, respected Principal, Mr. Sean Jose, Vice
School. Attention. Steady days. Attention.
ద్రావిడ ఉత్కల వంగా వింధ్య హిమాచల యమునా గంగా ఉచ్చల జలధి తరంగా తవ శుభ నామే జాగే తవ శుభ ఆశిష మాగే గాహే తవ జయ ధాతా జన గణ మంగళదాయక జయ హే భారత భాగ్య విధాత జయ హే జయ హే జయ హే జయ 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 జయ
Order.
Worthy of it, I shall give my parents, teachers, and all the elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. I shall be kind to animals, to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness.
Let's hum Sare Jahan Se Acha through choir. request everyone to be please seated.
Let the spirit of our shared memories and the richness of our
సార్ వాట్సాప్లో కూడా పెట్టాను ప్రోగ్రామ్ టైమింగ్ 8:22 10 పెట్టారు షెడ్యూల్.
ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ. Most respected Chairman Jose sir, Director Baiju Varghese, Senior Principal St. Jose, Vice Principal Kalyan Madam, Office Superintendent, respected teachers, wardens, drivers, ayas, Prism staff, good morning one and all. Wish you happy 75th Republic Day. మనకు రాజ్యాంగం వచ్చి ఇప్పటికీ 75 వసంతాలు పూర్తి చేసుకున్న సందర్భంలో మన యొక్క పండుగను జరుపుకుంటున్నాం. ముఖ్యంగా మనకు స్వాతంత్రం సిద్ధించుటకు ఎంతోమంది మహనీయుల త్యాగం, వారి యొక్క త్యాగ ఫలితమే నేడు మనం అందరం కూడా ఇంత మంచి వాతావరణం, ఒక విధంగా చెప్పాలంటే స్వేచ్ఛ వాతావరణంలో మనం జీవించగలుగుతున్నాం. ఇటువంటి సందర్భంలో మన గతంలో స్వాతంత్ర్యం సిద్ధించకముందు ఇంగ్లీష్ వాళ్ళ చట్టాలు ఉండే, దాన్ని మార్చడం కోసం బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్కు వారి యొక్క సారథ్యంలో మన యొక్క రాజ్యాంగాన్ని రూపొందించడం జరిగింది. వారి యొక్క కృషి ఎనలేనిది. వారిని మనం తరతరాలు వారిని గౌరవించుకుంటూ, వారిని ఎల్లవేళలో స్మరించుకుంటూ, మన యొక్క భారతదేశం యొక్క సంస్కృతిని కాపాడుకుంటూ, మన యొక్క వారసత్వం పునికిపుచ్చుకున్న దేశంగా మన పిల్లలు కూడా ఒక మంచి వాతావరణంలో ఈ యొక్క దేశంలో సమగ్రతను కాపాడుకుంటూ స్వేచ్ఛ వాతావరణంలో జీవించాలని నేను కోరుకుంటున్నా. ముఖ్యంగా ఈ యొక్క విద్యార్థులు నా యొక్క సూచన ఏంటంటే, మీరు ఈ యొక్క సమాజంలో ఉన్నతమైన శిఖరంలో ఉండాలని, ఉన్నతంగా ఉండాలంటే క్రమశిక్షణ కలిగిన దేశ పౌరులుగా ముందుకు సాగాలి. మీరు మీ యొక్క ప్రధానంగా తల్లిదండ్రులను గౌరవించాలి, పెద్దలను గౌరవించాలి, మీ యొక్క గురువులను పూజించాలి, వారి యొక్క ఆశీస్సులు తీసుకోవాలి. వారి ఆశీస్సుల ద్వారానే మీ యొక్క జీవితం ధన్యమవుతుంది. ముఖ్యంగా రాబోయే రోజులలో ఒక భావి భారత పౌరులుగా మీరు విరసిల్లాలని, ఈ యొక్క మన మాంటిసోరీ ప్రైమ్ స్కూల్ గ్లోబల్ సిటిజన్, దానికి మీరు ఆ శిఖరాన్ని అధిరోహించాలని ఆశిస్తూ సెలవు తీసుకున్నా. జై హింద్, జై భారత్.
Patriotism, let us hear and get motivated from our beloved director, Mr. Baiju Varghese.
Most respected President, Sudhir Reddy sir, respected Principal, Vice Principal, residential and non-residential felicitators, respected parents, special invitees, and my dear loving boys and girls, very good morning to all of you. So let me first wish all of you a happy Republic Day. Let's use this occasion to pay tribute to all the great people who worked behind drafting such a wonderful constitution for our country. So as all of you know, each and every national festival evokes a lot of patriotism in us. Now, what do you mean by patriotism? Can anyone define what is patriotism? Yeah. Patriotism is nothing but the feeling of love, devotion, and a sense of attachment towards one's country or state. And this sense of attachment, it is a combination of different feelings. Feelings for one's native language, maybe the ethnic, cultural, political, and of course historical aspects. Now my question is, are we all true patriots? We may come with the answer yes, but that answer is rather unjustifiable. Why? Because we are true patriots only on all these national festivals. Now, what about the rest of the days? Are we real patriots during the rest of the days? So when one wants to be a real patriot, he or she has a great obligation to fulfill the fundamental rights and the duties well laid by the Constitution. But how far we are fulfilling those rights and duties? Now let's take one simple example. Right to vote is one of the fundamental rights of each and every citizen of India. Fundamental right. Maybe that fundamental right is the cornerstone of our democracy. But you know that that is the most corrupted and manipulated right now in our India. Right to vote is manipulated and corrupted to such an extent that the political parties buy the votes and the citizen, one way or other, surrender the rights in front of others for the sake of some money, for the sake of some other gifts or other things. So in one way or other, we are completely deviating from our obligation to fulfill the duties and responsibilities as a great citizen of India. Now, this corruption, it's not only limited to our political system. I think it is limited, or it is even spreading across the globe as well. Very recently, I read one news. That news came from New Zealand, maybe one of the safest countries in the world, one of the most beautiful countries in the world. And of course, a country which does not have any sort of corruption. That is what they proclaim, or what is they claim. But the news was nothing but one of the MPs belonging to Greens Party. Her name is Gladys Grechman, and she resigned for an allegation. The allegation is nothing but she was accused of shoplifting, nothing but theft from a few clothes stores across New Zealand, particularly in Auckland and Christchurch, I believe. So she was accused of shoplifting, in the sense, theft from a few clothes stores across New Zealand. So you can imagine to what an extent our political leaders go. So corruption, it is rampant everywhere. So maybe one of the greatest pledge that we can take on this fine day is to fight against this corruption. Maybe a corruption-free India, that should be a dream of each and every citizen. And I think we should strive for that from our limitations. Of course, as children, you have your own limitations to fight against such an evil. But even then, whatever is possible from your side, make sure that it is done. Maybe corruption in different ways, it is all prevalent in you. Corruption in other ways. So once you are able to cast out such a kind of corruptions from you, I am sure that you will be able to put a step forward in order to eradicate corruption from our political system and thereby we will be able to make our country proud. So I just sum up. I wish you all the best. Jai Hind. Thank you very much.
The St. George on this auspicious occasion.
Respected President Sudhakar Reddy sir, Director Baiju Varghese sir, facilitators, parents, and my dear children, good morning to you all, and wish you all a happy Republic Day. So today is a special day, not a general assembly that we conduct on a daily basis. So on every assembly, every day we conduct morning assembly. On every assembly we make a pledge. Even today we had a pledge. What is the first line of a pledge? India is my country. India is my country. So do you know about India? India is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. India, people are of different religion. We have Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Jains, Buddhists, and many number of religions are there in India. In India, people speak different languages. As per the records, in India, there are more than 30 official languages with scripts, and there are more than 90 languages without scripts. So in India, people speak many languages. More than 100 languages people speak in India. We are living in Telangana. The Telugu that we speak here is different from that the people speak in Andhra Pradesh. There are different diversities in India. We have different dress codes. The dress that people wear in Andhra is not the dress people wear in Punjab, and the dress that people wear in Punjab is not the dress that people wear in Kashmir or Himachal Pradesh, and the dress code of Kerala is different from that of these people. But at the end, we all say the same statement that we all are Indians, and we all say that India is my country. So my dear children, I wish to tell you one thing, that we are from different family background, different caste, different religion. In our families, we are following different customs, different practices. But at the end of the day, we all should understand, we all should realize that we are part of the same India. We all are sons and daughters of our mother India. We should respect each other, we should love each other, and we should work towards the betterment of our fellow being, those who are with you. The person who is sitting next to you is an Indian. He or she is a son of the mother India. Irrespective of his caste, irrespective of his religion, irrespective of his family background, irrespective of his language that he speaks, we all should understand, respect and value each other. Then only we can call ourselves as a proud Indian. So on this Republic Day, the only one thing that I wish to put in front of you is that we all should realize that we are part of the unified republic, secular, democratic India. We all are part of the same India. We all should respect each other, we all should understand each other, and we all should work together for the betterment of our fellow beings. So thank you all. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable message.
यहाँ
What a wonderful performance. You have really mesmerized us with your dance.
The Republic Day also reminds us to always strive for the well-being and progress of our nation. To honor the spirit, let's welcome Sanjana of 3rd Standard to deliver a speech in Telugu.
గౌరవనీయులైన పెద్దలందరికీ మరియు నా తోటి విద్యార్థులందరికీ శుభోదయం. ముందుగా అందరికీ గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. మనకు స్వాతంత్రం 1947 ఆగస్టు 15న వచ్చింది. కానీ మన దేశానికి సొంత రాజ్యాంగం లేదు. రాజ్యాంగం అనగా మన దేశ అవసరాలు, బాధ్యతలు, హక్కులు మరియు విలువలను తెలిపే ఒక చట్టం. దానిని బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్ అనే గొప్ప వ్యక్తి 2 సంవత్సరాల 11 నెలల 18 రోజుల పాటు రాయడం జరిగింది. కావున మనందరం రాజ్యాంగంలోని విలువల్ని, అందులోని విషయాలని తెలుసుకోవాలని నా మనవి. ధన్యవాదాలు.
ప్రధాన ఉపాధ్యాయులు గారికి, నా తోటి విద్యార్థులకు గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. మన రాజ్యాంగం ప్రపంచంలోని అతిపెద్ద లిఖిత రాజ్యాంగం. ఈ రాజ్యాంగం వల్లనే స్వేచ్ఛగా జీవించడానికి హక్కులు లభించాయి. నాకు ఈ అవకాశం కల్పించినందుకు కృతజ్ఞతలు. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Of Sports Facilitator Mr. Faisal.
वापस जा न सका।
Sudhakar Reddy, sir, beloved Director of Montessori Group of Institutions and Hostel in charge Baiju Wagi, sir, and esteemed Principal Mr. Sinjo, sir, and glorious Vice Principal Mrs. Kalyani, ma'am, and respected Office Superintendent Mrs. Kalyani, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I, Aradhya, from 9th standard, standing in front of you all to shower my patriotism towards our country through my speech. Firstly, I would like to wish you all happy 75th Republic Day. I would like to thank all the freedom fighters and people who strive to brought freedom and form our constitutions. So I don't want to give a monotonous speech. So let me share an incident happened during the formation of constitution. So during the formation of constitution, Rajendra Prasad was the first first president of India, and B.R. Ambedkar was the drafting committee chairman. So, during the formation of constitution, the subordinate of Rajendra Prasad lost one paper from the constitution, and he was very panicked and terrified, and next day he went and said to the Rajendra Prasad about the issue happened yesterday, and he was very terrified and he was very surprised to see that there is no tension in the face of Rajendra Prasad, and he was not terrified even, and he told to the subordinate to bring a paper and a pen, and he dictated each and every word which is in that paper. So friends, we can say here the commitment and contribution they had towards their motherland. So as the future citizens of India, we should have that zeal and we should keep our flag high. The tricolor of our flag not only represents our country, it also represents equality, fraternity, sovereignty and freedom of our country. Thank you. Have a great day.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खो दे हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिंह फड़िए तू बेतरिए या करिए हाय कोई तो चल सिंह फड़िए तू बेतरिए या करिए चक दे कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खो दे हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा हो गए अब कुछ करिए